Ayan, nag-download muna ako ng VirtualBox. Kasi i-open siya sa setup. Next lang. Yes, install. Kasi dito install yung Ubuntu Linux. Finish. Tapos pinindot ko yung new. Nilagyan ko yung name ng Ubuntu 16.04, which is yung version ng Ubuntu. Tapos next lang. Finish. Tapos pinindot ko yung start. Ayan. Sa DWD, nung naka-download na ako ng Ubuntu, tapos ayan, pumunta ako doon, tapos nilagay ko dito sa file. Tapos, Ubuntu, i-open. Punta ako sa download, tapos tinignan ko yung Ubuntu, tapos i-open ko siya doon, tapos ayan, lagay ko. Wait natin. Ayan, install Ubuntu. Continue lang siya. Install now. Sign continue. Medyo tapos nagpili rin ako ng language para mas maintindihan ng maayos. I-continue. Ayan. Sunod dyan yung your name. Tapos pick a username. Also, gumawa din ako ng password. Tapos continue lang siya. Medyo matagal yung process niya, kaya inano ko na lang. Ayan, matagal siya kasi ginakopy niya pa. Tapos ayan, restart now. Ayan, wait ulit na, enter tayo, then press enter, sabi niya. Enter lang. Ayan, nag-auto na, tas nilagay ko na yung password, tas guest session, login.
Oh, yes.
So, ayan, kung paano mag-install ng Ubuntu doon sa VirtualBox. Ayan na yung last, then lumabas. So, what is system administrations? System administration means managing and taking care of a company's computer, system, and networks to make sure they work well and are safe. Also, system administrators do tasks like setting up software and hardware, also watching system performances, and adding security measures. So what is system maintenance? System maintenance means regularly checking, updating, and fixing computer system and networks to keep them working well. Also, it includes installing updates, fixing problems, and backing up data to prevent loss and improve performance. So, the benefits of using Ubuntu Linux operating system in system administrations and system maintenance. So, the benefits, it is easy to use, secure, and dependable, which helps with managing and maintaining systems. It is free and has a lot of support and guides, making systems management simpler.